Most people try to remove tan the wrong way. They scrub harder, apply lemon, use random face packs, and then wonder why their skin looks dull instead of brighter. Here's something most people don't realize. Tan isn't dirt. It's your skin trying to protect itself. So if you attack it, your skin fights back. Instead, use this 4-step skin reset method. And if you do this consistently for a few weeks, your skin gradually starts returning closer to its original tone. Step 1. Stop creating new tan, the shadow rule. This sounds obvious, but almost nobody does it properly. You can't remove tan if you keep adding new layers every day. So here's the shadow rule. Whenever you're outside and your shadow looks shorter than your body, UV is strongest. That's when your skin darkens fastest. Instead of depending only on sunscreen, create physical shade. Umbrella. Stand under shade. Walk on shaded side of roads. Because reducing UV exposure works better than trying to reverse damage later. This alone changes more than expensive skincare. Step 2. Use contrast cleansing, not scrubbing. After coming home, wash your face with normal water. Wait 60 seconds. Then rinse again with slightly cool water. Why? Heat keeps skin looking irritated and darker temporarily. Most people immediately rub their face aggressively. Don't. Your goal is to calm the skin, not polish it. Use your hands only. Your skin should feel relaxed after washing. Step 3. The recovery window. Most people skip this. At night, apply a simple moisturizer. Nothing fancy. Now here's the unusual part. Keep your room slightly cool while sleeping. Your skin repairs itself most efficiently during sleep. Aim for consistent sleep timing. People underestimate this because it doesn't look like a skincare tip, but recovery speed changes skin appearance. Step 4. Controlled exfoliation, only once or twice a week. Do not exfoliate daily. That's where people ruin progress. Use a gentle exfoliating product only once or twice weekly. Your goal is to remove old surface buildup, not force brightness. Think of it like polishing glass. Too much pressure scratches it. Too little does nothing. Consistency wins. Final truth. Removing tan is not about making skin lighter. It's about letting your natural skin return. Most people chase shortcuts. The attractive look usually comes from healthy, calm, even skin. Try this for 3 to 4 weeks. Take one photo before, one after. You'll notice things your mirror won't show day to day. And remember, stop fighting your skin. Help it recover.
부끄럽소.